Hello viewers, in the next episode you will see there was a young boy named Ali who lived in a small village. He was known for being kind, but sometimes he made mistakes like everyone else. One day Ali found a shiny wallet on the road while walking home from the school. He picked it up and looked inside. There was a lot of money and ID card. Ali felt confused. He thought, if I keep this money, I can buy many things. But then he also thought, this wallet belongs to someone. They must be worried. He went home and told his mother about the wallet. His mother smiled and said, the right thing is to return it. Ali agreed, even though it was not easy. The next day, Ali went to the address on the ID card. He found an old man who looked very worried. When Ali gave him the wallet, the man's face became bright with happiness. He said, thank you, I thought I lost everything. The old man offered Ali some money as a reward, but Ali politely said no. I just wanted to do the right thing, he said. The man blessed him and said, honesty will always bring you respect. Ali went home feeling proud and happily inside. He learned that doing the right thing is more valuable than money. This story reminds us the honesty and good choices make us better people even when something is hard. Choosing that is right always leads to true happiness.